Okay, let's try this simultaneous question. What you have to do is you've got a linear and you've got something that looks a little quadratic here, and you've got to figure out the x and y value that'll work in both. Well, the first step is to take the linear equation, and write it in terms of one variable. So x equals is easiest. If you make it y equals, you'll end up with fractions. So I see that x equals 2y plus 3. And what do we do with this 2y plus 3? That's x. Well, we look up here to see x, and we put a bracket, and we put 2y plus 3 right in there, and we square it. Minus 3 minus 6y plus 5 times 2y plus 3, because that's what x is, times y. Now just multiply it out. Square the 2y plus 3, you'll get 4y squared, 12y, and 9. Multiply this out. Y times 5 here would be 5y times 2y is 10y squared. 5y times 3 is 15y. Multiply that 4 out, you'll get 16y squared. And what I did is, right now, I subtract 10y squared. So I'm putting the y squareds on this side. Now we're going to get 48y. I'm going to add 6y and take away this 15y. I've got a minus 3 here. But this 4 times 9, I've also got 36 at the end. Well, there's everything. 16 minus 10 is 6y squared. 48 plus 6 minus 15 is 39y. And 36 minus 3 is 33. Now, if I divide everything by 3, hey, this gets a little easier. 2y squared plus 13y plus 11. Put down two brackets, and they make these so they factor. So 2y and y is the only way you're going to get 2y squared. There's not many factors of 11. It's a prime number. So just play around with 11 and 1. No negatives, so everything's positive. Plus 11y. 2y times 1, there's your 13y. So your answers are y equals negative 11 over 2 and y equals negative 1. And all you do is take that negative 11 over 2 and put it back in for y, and you'll get x is minus 8. Put minus 1 back in there, and you'll get x equals 1. And there's your solution. That's a lot of people say just leave it like that, but I like to see an ordered pair. I'd like to write minus 11 over 2, minus 8 first, and then minus 11 over 2, and then 1 and minus 1. I'd write the little ordered pairs in as your solutions.